Hi, Eileen Veilleux, the fam here. Just wanted to come on and give everybody a brief update on why I haven't been able to do my YouTube channel for a couple of months. For those that may have not known, I had a major water leak in my kitchen and in my laundry room at the beginning of March. I called my insurance company, and unfortunately, here we are in May, and I've still been fighting with them. Normally, my days consist of being on the phone, arguing with them, threatening them, because at this point, I have not received a denial from them or anything else. I'm basically in limbo where I have no kitchen. I just have my stove, my refrigerator, my upper cabinet, and a shop sink, which means I can't do a lot of things that I used to. And my days have been pretty much filled with calling the insurance company and arguing with them because the claims adjuster says that they don't cover rot, which I don't understand because when you have water damage, that's normally what you get is rot from the cabinets falling apart because the cabinets are not made out of 100% wood. It's made with pressed wood, which is basically sawdust and glue pressed together. Excuse me. So that's why I haven't been on, but I do plan on trying to get back into the groove with it, whether or not they take care of it or not. So please bear with me, stick with me. And the first one I'm going to do, when I do come back, I have to open my Zara box because it's been sitting there and I don't even know what's in it myself. I got it the 28th of last month. And here we are almost on the 28th again, and I haven't even opened it. That's how bad things have been. But please bear with me. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Anything and everything helps, guys. I'm going through a real tough time. I haven't given up on my YouTube channel. I just have a real life problem that I've been trying to seriously deal with. I miss you all. I miss reading your comments. I miss seeing your likes. And I miss doing the videos to help everybody out. So just bear with me and hang in there. And hopefully we can get things going soon. Bye.